Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Holly, and today we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner. But I wanted to show you last week's spread first because I just didn't get a chance to film. I filmed it, but I didn't get to edit it because it was just a busy week, the last week before break. But I loved how I used the full boxes from the rustic Christmas kit from Coffee Planner Mom as if it were pieces of, scraps of wrapping paper. It was a fun spread. So I'm actually pulling everything off the discs this time, and we're going to plan for the week of Christmas. And again, we're going to use up the rest of this sticker kit today. I will link in the description below to Coffee Planner Mom Shop. She just had a new release for Valentine's Day, so super fun. Time to cover up the dates, to use those date cover stickers. So as I was trying to put these down, there was clearly a struggle, which is okay. I don't typically use date covers, except for that they come with the kit. So I decided to try the trick that I always see Coffee Planner Mom do, which is turn the page upside down. I always thought it was silly, to be quite honest. I've converted. It makes more sense to bring the page closer to you. I am super excited to be on break. I spent today is Saturday when I filmed and edited this, just having fun with my planners, reading, chilling with Sharpie Dog, who did bring his dino in during the filming, but since I'm voicing over, you won't hear it this week. So sorry. I chose to use, I had to look for some stickers for dates, and I found them in the journaling sticker book. And I don't know if that one's still available from the Happy Planner, but it is a great book. If you're just looking for something neutral to add into your planner, it is a really great book. So the Wednesday one was a struggle to get the dates to fit the way I wanted to. So there was definitely some picking up and putting down of stickers here. Not my usual thing to do, but we did make it work. And that's all that really matters. I like that the dates are kind of like up in the corner of each sticker. So like I said before, I got the numbers or the dates from the journaling sticker book from the Happy Planner. Now we're on to the decorative part of things. Pro tip, guys, if you're redating stuff, leave that little side calendar there so it is easy to redate it. I know, you're all going, we already knew that. So now I'm just covering this part up with my whiteout. This whiteout tape, as I've said in previous videos, has given me trouble before, but today it worked pretty well, so kudos to that. Using up some boxes, trying to make this all work out with my quotes. I did end up using quite a bit of this kit. There's something so satisfying about that. So since this is Christmas week and the first week of break, I really wanted this super decorative be. Like, there's no real set days I have to do anything. So I put a box at the top so that I can see the have yourself a merry little Christmas quote just a little bit clearer. And then I was thinking about using the like half boxes and quarter boxes to look like a pile of presents at the bottom of the page, like just kind of all stacked up there. Because like I said, nothing has to be done on specific days right now. Obviously, I also want to call out Christmas Eve and Christmas Day. Can I tell you, I love this plaid pattern. It came out so cute. I really want her to do a black and white plaid pattern. That'd be awesome. I actually had been debating in my head, like, which sticker is going to go with which of the, like, pattern stickers, like the holly. I almost put the holly with the plaid, but then I was like, no, those colors are so similar. At least, like, you know, you've got the richer green with the candy canes, and then, like, the more muted tan with the diamond shape pattern. So, we've got Christmas Eve. We don't have any big plans for Christmas, kind of like Thanksgiving. We'll be doing a lot of stuff on our own, which is totally fine by us. Probably a lot of video game playing. One of my favorite things is watching Sharpie open his presents. Like, that is the best. I do like the song Holly Jolly Christmas, so that quote had to make it in. So here we go, putting down these functional boxes, and like I said, they're just going to kind of go all over the place. I plan on maybe drawing some bows in, so check my Instagram for if I get that part done, because I did not do that in the video. I did draw some bows with like black paper mate flare, but I want to do some other colors too. And these are just going to be for things that, like, need to get done throughout the week, or plans that we have, like going to go see Christmas lights, or, oh, Sharpie. He finds a way, even if I'm voicing over, to be a part of the video. He's currently growling at his food. Yep, that's what he's doing. Anyway, so these boxes are going to be for, like, baking cookies, going to see Christmas lights, working in our little home office that we have, all of those things. I really like how using some of these sticker kits have really pushed me outside of my, like, decorative planning zone. Because, like, I don't think I normally would have done a spread like this. Just like last week's spread with cutting apart full boxes to make them look like wrapping paper. Like, I don't think I would have ever done that. But I do love how this came out. And then I started using, I was like, oh, the deco would work as like little decorative bows too. So we're going to put some Santa hats, candy canes, some holly berries, just to make this look even more festive. best part is, even if you don't fill all of these boxes in, and by you, I mean me, it's okay. Like, it still looks like a cute, fun spread. I think people get a little worried that, like, they're not busy enough, and it's okay. It's okay to take a break. Always need a checklist sticker on Saturday. That's my chores list. This week will be zone 4, which is the master bedroom. So I follow the Fly Lady system of cleaning, so I have my house kind of done in zones and all that fun stuff. Using up some more of the kind of Christmas songs quotes to finish out the decorations. We'll also add some dinner pen, and of course Tell Tuesday. Can't not have Tell Tuesday. It's important. So if you like this video, I hope you give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more of my videos, I hope you hit that subscribe button too. I hope all of you have a safe and healthy and happy holidays, whatever holiday you celebrate. And, enjoy. If you're getting some time off, enjoy it. I know I am. It is definitely very much deserved. I will catch you all in the next one.